In this video, we will be talking about how you can sustain and defend your rights as stated in the Constitution of the United States. David Barton, U.S. historian who is an expert in U.S. history, a longtime activist, and founder of the Wall Builders, stated that people in the United States need to do the following in order to honor and protect their rights under the Constitution. First of all, they need to read the Constitution. It's really sad to say that even though our education system is mandated by federal law to teach the Constitution in our schools, only a very, very small portion of our citizenry have ever read the entire United States Constitution. Even our elected officials and legal professionals, for the most part, don't know what the rights are that are specified in the Constitution itself. In addition to reading the Constitution, David recommends that people study it so that they fully understand all the parameters and all the rights that are there for each one of us. My Freedom Academy, in cooperation with Patriot Academy, offers a free course teaching people how to read the Constitution and understand its contents. If you have not read this document and understand it, we invite you to register for your choice of either the 6-week or 10-week course free of charge. Ask your presenter or click on the link next. David Barton recommends that you teach the Constitution to your children and your friends and your family. Make sure that everyone knows what their rights are and what they can do to assert those rights. There have been so many misapplications and misinterpretations of what is contained in the Constitution over the years that David Barton also recommends that each citizen learn how to assert those rights that are found in the Constitution by meeting in public settings and letting people know what their views are and why their views support what the Founding Fathers wrote. And then finally, each citizen is responsible for defending their rights in the Constitution. Now, we don't recommend ever that people engage in a process that is illegal, is violent, because those simply do not work effectively. If you look at history, people who have been involved in violent activities trying to raise their rights since the beginning of this country have failed. It has only been those people who have used legal and non-violent means, unless they were pushed to the brink of having no choice for anything else, that were effective in their process. We recommend that people learn the skills necessary to use legal, nonviolent advocacy to create an effective response and get the changes made that are provided for within the Constitution itself. It is our responsibility as citizens of the United States to be sure that our elected officials meet the commitments that they agreed to when they took their oaths of office. The Freedom Fighters Forum meets weekly to empower and train citizens and patriots committed to freedom to use these legal, nonviolent, and effective methods to achieve their goal. We invite you to join us on a regular basis. You may click on the link below this video to register for your spot at the next Freedom Fighters Forum, or you may ask the presenter in the group that you are meeting in for the information.